purpose of this video is to inspire and inform faith leaders about how they can play a role in addressing HIV/AIDS. My name is Reverend Hishimu J.D. Sparks of Power of Christ Ministries. In this video, you'll hear the voices of faith leaders from many different traditions: Christian, Jewish, Islamic, and Buddhist. These faith leaders have several things in common: dedication to their faith, compassion for people, and a desire to be of service. We asked these leaders why they felt inspired to address HIV/AIDS, and this is what some of them said.
I think the connection between being a person of faith — I'm a Roman Catholic priest of 30 years, and AIDS service provider — is a very easy connection for me to make. I've always thought that my understanding of my spirituality and my faith tradition is that people of faith need to go where other people won't go, and we need to say what needs to be said but other people are afraid to say, and we need to do what needs to be done but other people are afraid to do. And so we need to go to the unpopular places. We need to go where others fear to tread. And there's nothing quite like AIDS that scares people. So.
As an imam and practitioner of the religion of Islam, I find it, it's, I want to say difficult, but really it's impossible not to be concerned with any, health issue, major or minor, but particularly a major health issue like this one, because it's on different levels. It's emotional, physical,